Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. As you saw today, we're making Kani salad or crab salad as most may know it. I prefer mine as a spicy Kani salad. However, I'm making this for my children to have along with me. So I'm not going to make it spicy for today. But I did want to show you can purchase this sriracha mayo or even add a little bit of sriracha later if you prefer to make it that spicy Kani salad. But my kids won't eat it if this is in it. So I just put it on top for myself. So I have already shredded up about half of the package, and I'll show you how I personally shred it. I do use a cheese grater to grate about half of a cucumber to put in mine. If you're making this to save for later, don't add the cucumber right away. But you have your pollock. I don't measure really, about a handful of carrots. Sometimes I'll add a little bit more. It really just depends on how I'm feeling. So you've got half a cucumber shredded up. You've got half this package of crab meat shredded and about a cup of shredded carrots. This is how I choose to slice up mine. I usually try to go a little on the smaller side so it flakes better. And to me it just looks more like what they have in the restaurants. If you have access to a local Japanese store where they sell Japanese mayo, I really think that would make like a world of difference in this as well. Unfortunately, I have nothing like that around me. I don't even have a sushi restaurant at least within an hour of me, which is why I started making this myself. But once you slice it, just take it and roll it in your hands very gently, but those pieces just kind of unravel and it makes it nice so you get that same texture and it's appealing to the eye. Try not to do too much at once because you'll smush it, and then you'll also, if you're anything like me, you'll fling it across the kitchen. But it doesn't take but just a few minutes. It's yummy, and for me, it's about the experience, but for my kids, they love it because it makes them feel like they're actually getting to go to their favorite sushi restaurant, which is nowhere near us anymore since we moved, but that'll be all right. But you can't go to, do at home. And I like to try and do as much as I can at home anyway with, it's much cheaper, I can tell you that. Try and go a little bit lighter on your mayonnaise right at first. Just because a little goes a long way, and that way you can see if you need more. It's hard, you can't take it away, but you can always add more. But this is way more simple than I ever thought it would be. The first time I made it, I was like, I feel like there's something missing. And I saw somebody had tried it with mango, and that was nice. It just made it a little too sweet for us. So I leave the mango out. But if you like it a little bit sweeter, see, I even may have used too much mayonnaise even for today. But if that's the case, you just add in a few more things that's going to soak it up. So just add in a little bit more carrot. And if that doesn't do the trick, I could always shred in a little bit more of the crab. But that's it. I'll put this in the fridge to chill. But if I was saving this for a lot longer than I am for today, then I would leave out the cucumber just because it's going to, that water is going to separate in it. And it won't give you, I'm just breaking up some of the clumps in here, y'all. But it won't give you that same texture appeal. But this is how I also get the cucumber into the crab salad, because my daughter doesn't, she loves it in the crab salad, but if she sees it separate, she'll kind of pick away from it. Y'all, that is it. You have a Kani salad in like under 5 minutes, and super cheap, and right in your own home. If you like, just put a little bit over to the side, and we're going to taste test. Perfect. So we pour a little bit of soy sauce over it right when we're getting ready to eat it. And that's it, y'all. Hopefully you like this very quick crab salad. Give it a try. Let me know if you add anything other than the mango and what we added in and how you like it. But crab salad will be with our Japanese style dinner for tonight. See y'all next time. Bye.